it's Vicky here from Belfast Sure Starts, and this week I am going to be doing fairy cakes but with a twist because mine is going to be St. Patrick's Day ones. So our ingredients is going to be stock butter, self-raising flour, caster sugar and eggs, and I like to add some vanilla flavour. With all the ingredients we use 125 grams of each one, except for the eggs we use 2, and a teaspoon of vanilla flavour. So first of all, we get our flour. We sieve 125 grams of self-raising flour into our bowl. Then we add another 125 grams of soft butter, make sure it's room temperature, into our bowl. A little bit hiding. Then we add our caster sugar, again 125 grams. Put it in. And then we have 2 eggs. Just throw them in there. Now you can use a spoon or a fork to whisk this about, but I use a hand blender. And if you're going to use one of these, use it on the low and do it slowly, okay? Trying to make sure that you're getting a nice and bubbly. Once they're all mixed up, we'll just add our vanilla flavour. I don't like it too high because I just don't want to over mix it. So as you can see, it looks nice. I'm just gonna add this bit in. And again. Just make sure it's all mixed round. Right, so all that's lovely and it's nice and fluffy. So then you just put it into, you put your, I use silicone, so put it into your tray and then divide them all in. Usually makes about 12 cupcakes, okay? There we go. Now I have done some. So these are the ones I have done earlier. Don't forget, when you put them into the oven, put them in for about 20 minutes, okay? Next is your icing. So the next is your icing sugar. And I just use the icing sugar, and again, I use the stock butter. Again, I have pre-made some. And I like to add green food colouring because obviously it's St. Patrick's Day, okay? Now, just in case I forgot to say, I preheat my oven to 180 degrees, so I usually do that at the start of the cooking lesson, okay? So now I'm going to go back to the icing, and I am going to show you what exactly you do. I normally put, again, 125 grams of each one into a bowl and mix it well. Because of the food colouring, or the food colouring, I just do it to a consistency that I think is good. Now I use these sweetie bars and I just put the end of it. So here we go. Now It doesn't have to be perfect. So I just do. I like that. Now I have a little assistant today. Jay, do you want to help me? Pull up your sleeves. Pull up your sleeves. And I'm going to let Jay do a cake, okay? Here we go. Remember, when you're cooking, it can be fun, especially if you have children. Just squeeze and add what you want, Jay, okay? Well done. Excellent.
Is this for your work?
Yeah.
Is that it?
Whatever you reckon. Are you happy with that?
Yeah.
Right, okay. So do you want to do any more?
Let me get this part done.
Right.
Get that part done.
I also add, just for a bit of fun, I have these nuggets. And you can just let the kids sprinkle some on. And hey presto, there's your St. Patrick's Day buns. Now I also bought these for St. Patrick's Day. And all you do is cut them out. I will show you. Again, because you're doing it with the children, it doesn't have to be perfect. But
you do it only a little bit.
Only a little bit, Jay, exactly. These are little edible St. Patrick's Day leprechauns, and you can just add them into your cupcake, and hey presto, here we go. Thanks for watching. Have a nice St. Patrick's Day. Bye.